We played 2 of them.
Oh, good.
Surprised you didn't swing at that.
Nice. Yeah, I think there's like Miller Lite or something in there. Nice.
I think you played an out one out. Yeah. You take those easy ones, you know? 2 on. Out. Frankie, what's up?
I didn't see it.
Gonna take 2. Out. 3-2.
Always somebody puts a chair right there. The whole fucking thing is open.
That's what I said. I said, be careful with Tony's bag. Actually, they can fold it.
Which one?
The black one. They can fold it up like mine. Yeah, that's yeah, let me put this over here. I'm going to put this right here because I'm going to lift my leg up.
We should have a bag of garbage right here.
Actually, I think I got one more left. There's one right there. I'm going to move it over because nobody's going to get to it there. But I have one more. Let me move Eddie over.
Leave it at front.
Huh?
Give you some more room because
I'm going to put my cooler so I can lift my leg up.
Number 2? Out. Good thing I said something.
how you feeling, right?
Take 2. Let's get up, Rich.
Hey, Kelly.
The few games I played yesterday brought me right back to where I was. It's like nothing's changed.
This is my cup. I don't want to throw it away because I'm going to drink some milk. It's not going to stay there.
Put it on the side of your back, on that little pouch. That way you know where it is.
It's amazing how I think of great things.
Yeah. Well, you know what's funny? I do it regularly with my drinks. I'll throw them in here, right? Because I have the pouch.
Yeah, I don't have a pouch. I just put it on the corner.
Right there. Where your pills are.
But I got something in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, That's what I do. Yeah, I put my cup in here or my bottle when I'm drinking.
That would be nice.
210, right?
Works good.
210, let's go. You better pay attention, numbnuts. I'm on it. Four. 410. Let's go, Rich. Sorry. 510. I think you go for that. 510. I couldn't see it. 510. 510. 610. 610. We're playing this one, right? Yes, yes.
Wing game.
That's it. Go. Plumber him, baby. That's not the first time you have balls across the nose. Don't worry about it. 10-6.
Not the first time you got killed in that corner. Fucking hold on.
Tony, when you beat me, you can talk to me, Tony.
Every
You're my
day.
bitch today.
Every day.
You're my bitch.
Every fucking day. You won by luck.
Yeah.
Oh.
611? Yes, 611, gentlemen. Richard, open up, homeboy.
He gets those two. Unbelievable. Like a 10-year-old. Nice get. It is? You thought so?
What the fuck you trying to do?
I thought your fucking shot was good, you know. That
know,
kid,
I know.
He doesn't expect it.
it looked good.
He expects it. You play with the dead guys. These guys are healthy. 611.
He and I beat Chris and somebody else. They were winning like 15-4, 14-4. And I hit like 7 killers. And he won the game. Chris, you let a fucking old man, 80 shirt, all day long. You let this 80-year-old man beat the hell out of you. I felt bad. Because they're going to think I'm behind that shit. Yeah. You know. Chris said, all right, Tony, you're the best. That ended just to shut him up, you know.
What do you got? 14.
I told Chris yesterday, Chris, I had nothing to do with that. I local. What's the score?